Well, hi everybody, and welcome back to my kitchen. It's me again, Rog, aka the Gourmet Grandad. Well, today I'm going to be cooking something quite simple, quite easy, but it's something everybody enjoys. It's popcorn chicken. And it's my own version, very tasty, very crispy on the outside, very succulent on the inside. So let me show you this recipe. First we need to take a nice piece of chicken breast, or any boneless chicken of course. If it's a bit damp, we pat this dry with some kitchen towel like this, and then we've got to cut it into the appropriate sized pieces, bite-sized pieces. Of course these pieces depend on what size of a bite you've got, I suppose. There we go, cut all those nice and neatly and put them into a bowl. So now to add my secret ingredient. It's a secret. Nah, it's not a secret really. It's buttermilk. This is going to tenderise the chicken and make it even more succulent. Now you can leave this in the bowl for a couple of hours, hour at the least, or you could leave it overnight. Put a bit of cling film on there. And off we go. Now we can carry on with our spice mix. We're going to need 1 teaspoon of sea salt, 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of ground ginger. And of course a cup of flour, just plain flour, that will do. And I always put in a teaspoon of baking powder. This just gives it that extra bit of crispiness. So we're going to mix all these together into a large mixing bowl. With the baking powder of course. There we go. Get it all incorporated. And now we're going to sort of start to assemble the dish. We're going to put our pieces of chicken, the marinated in the buttermilk, into our flour mix. Get it all coated nice and evenly all the way over. And then after this, we can pick these pieces out, leaving the excess flour behind, and get them into a separate dish, and then off we go to start cooking. Now we're going to cook these in a couple of batches. We don't want them all in at the same time. As you can see, you get quite a lot of water content, and it makes the cooking oil boil quite viciously. Now cook them till they're nice and brown. They won't take long because they're not very big. Nice and brown and crispy, that's how you want them. Don't forget that last one, that'll be mine. And there you have it. Don't they look good? There we go, that's another view. So brown and crispy, gorgeous. Now for a taste test. Wait, stop that. Use a fork. That's better. Well, that's really good. It's got all the flavours. Crispy on the outside, very succulent on the inside. Just as it should be really. So yeah, I've got to say I'm really pleased with that. Please try this for yourself. I think you'd be quite surprised. It's so enjoyable. And yeah, thanks for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you all again next time. Bye for now.